In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block bots traffic to your Shopify store. Having unwanted bots on your website can skew your analytics and slow down your site's performance, so it's important to manage them effectively. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to ensure your Shopify store is protected. First, let's navigate to your Shopify dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your store, so it's important to start there. Once you've accessed your dashboard, locate the online store option on the side menu. Clicking this will open up more options related to the online aspects of your shop. Next, you want to choose Preferences from the offerings under the online store section. This is where you can manage some of the deeper settings that control how your storefront interacts with visitors. Here you will find options under the Spam Protection section. It's really important that you ensure both of these options are enabled. These settings are your first line of defense against unwanted bot traffic, as they can help filter and mitigate downstream impacts. After you've confirmed your spam protection settings, let's go back to your dashboard. You can do this easily by clicking on Home in the main menu. From there, you'll want to head to your search bar, which is prominently displayed, and type in Bot Blocker. Doing so will guide you to the tools available in Shopify to further enhance your defenses. You should see an option to search for Bot Blocker in the Shopify App Store. This is where Shopify shines, offering a wide array of third-party applications that can address such specific needs. Once you've entered the App Store, take a moment to assess the bot blocking apps. For this tutorial, I've chosen the Blockify Fraud Filter, Blocker. When you've found Blockify or another app that meets your needs, it's time to click on Install. Most apps will provide a guided installation process, which involves reviewing permissions and confirming that it fits your store's requirements. After the initial install, you might be prompted to click Install again to finalize the integration. Finally, you'll be brought into the app's setup interface. At this stage, click on Get Started to begin configuring the app's settings to suit your specific requirements. This part of the process will typically offer a range of options, from blocking known bot IPs to adjusting sensitivity levels of rules. Take enough time to explore these settings to optimize your store's protection against bots, while ensuring that legitimate traffic is not inadvertently blocked. With these steps completed, your Shopify store should be better equipped to handle